Hey, good morning, brothers and sisters in Christ. This is Father Jonathan Davis here at St. Patrick Catholic Church. This morning we are taking out the bees on the side of the church. We have our roofing crew here, and we have
beekeepers.
Ray Jennings and his son here, Adam with the swarm chasers, and we have taken out all this bees right here, this honeycomb. Let me tell you this, this is delicious. This is delicious right here, and this is just a little beginning. We have holy honey here. Tenemos miel milagrosa. Aquí estamos quitando las abejas de la iglesia. Ya puede el lugar donde estaban las abejas. Ya tenemos miel muy sabrosa. Excellent. All right. Have a good day. God bless you. All right.